Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to you all. Can you hear me, beta? Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear, beta? Tell me in your chat box. Okay, wait a minute. Now my voice is clear. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sharos. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, beta, turn off your mics, all of you, and turn on your cameras. Turn off your mics, beta. Hurry up. Okay, Rahimeen, turn off your mic. Rahimeen, turn off your mic, beta. Okay, here is Ali Asif Khan, Alishba, Amna, Anam Zafar, Anamta, Asia, Ayman, Iman Rashid, Halima, Hania, Haya, Jay Kumar, Manahil, and beta, everybody turn on your cameras. Rabia, Nusaiba, Muhammad Ahmad, Mir Arham, Ramla. Okay. Okay, beta, all of you turn off your mics and turn on your cameras. Just Jay Kumar and Iman Rashid have turned on their cameras. Hurry up, beta, turn on your cameras. I want to see you. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, okay, turn on. Very good. Okay, beta, turn on your cameras. Who is this? Beta, इसको erase कीजिए, otherwise I will call your name. Hurry up. Erase the screen.
We can see your name on your screen.
Clear the screen. Hurry up.
Yes.
Zuhaib, turn off your mic.
Miss. Miss Adia, kindly take the name of annotators next time.
Okay. Okay, beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Hurry up. I want to see your faces. Focus your cameras on your faces.
मिस आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Okay, beta, I am speaking louder. Please check your device. Who is this Muhammad? Okay. Now, whose name is starting from Muhammad? I'm going, all of you, expelled from the class. Muhammad Ahmad Hassan. Hurry up. If you are doing this, clear the screen. Otherwise, I will expel you from the class. Hurry up. Muhammad Umar or Muhammad Ahmad Hassan. Clear the screen. Hurry up. Okay, fine. If you are not clearing the screen, I'm going to expel you. I don't know who is this, but The name is starting from Muhammad. So erase the screen, otherwise I will expel you. Who is this Tazian Rehan? Better come in the class with your own ID, otherwise I will expel you. Tell me, who are you?
Miss, you are
Who is this? Better, can you hear me?
Abdul Fawzan, Muhammad Ahmad Hassan, and Muhammad Umar. Behave yourself. Don't do this thing. Okay, now tell me, can you hear me clearly, everyone? Am I audible to you?
G, Maruk, I can hear you. Now the
Okay.
voice is clear. And tell me
Okay,
the
miss.
name of your students, the annotators. I'm going to call their parents.
Okay, miss. Okay, I will give the names later. All right, everyone. Now concentrate here on the lecture.
Now, Miss Adia, you can start.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum once again. And this is your lecture number 3. And all you know that we have studied in our previous 2 lectures about the ideological basis of Pakistan. So open your books, and today we are going to the basically ideological basis of about the 2 parts of ideological basis. These are most
मिस आदित्य
important.
kindly थोड़ा सा अपना माइक नजदीक कीजिए आवाज थोड़ी और लो है मारू की क्लियर थी उस पर
Okay. Now you can you hear me clearly? Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss basis of ideology of Pakistan. Is it clear? So open your books, and this topic is on page number 7. So take your pencils with you. You have to underline the important lines, and listen very carefully. I'm going to announce the name, and you have to read that topic. Okay, look at your books, open page number 7. I'm going to tell you once again. Now, Rumesa Abed, can you hear me? Beta, start reading. And also turn on your cameras, all of you. Rumesa.
Miss.
Yes, who is this?
Miss, I cannot. Miss ये भी फैन बात करो.
Yes, beta.
मिस मैं कैमरा नहीं खोल सकता क्योंकि मेरा मोबाइल का जो कैमरा है ना वो खराब है. हो गया है.
Okay. Try to repair your mobile, beta, as soon as possible. So it is
Okay.
essential for all of you to open your cameras. Okay, Rumesa, can you hear me?
एहसास नहीं है यस टीचर
Okay, beta. Start reading.
Basic ideology of Pakistan. The basic of ideology of Pakistan.
Basis of ideology of
Basis of
Pakistan.
ideology of Pakistan. The
Yes.
basis of ideology of Pakistan is Islam. The
Just why don't you have a book? It's available in the Asif bookshop.
Okay. Okay, beta. Continue.
The constituent components of Islamic ideology are doctrine of faith, social
doctrine of
dealings.
faith. Yes.
Social dealings.
Social dealings. Are you reading from the slides, beta? Look at your book and start reading from your book.
Teacher, मेरे पास अभी book नहीं है.
Okay, beta. Go to the bookshop. These specific bookshops which are written from your book list. Please go there. The books are available there. Is it clear? Okay. Anyone else? Hania, beta. Read the specific topic. Doctrine of faith. Hurry up. Hania, can you listen me? Are you listening? Hania. Okay, beta, raise your hands. Who will read the topic? Yes, hurry up. Okay. Sheroz, read. Okay, start reading. Hurry up, beta.
Doctrine of faith.
Yes.
Doctrine of faith. Ideology of Pakistan is characterized by the doctrine of faith in Allah, prophethood, angels, the day of judgment, and all the revealed books of Allah. The most essential elements of this belief of the Muslims are the unicity of Allah and complete faith in the prophethood of the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran is the last holy book revealed to the holy prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam bit by bit.
Period of 23 years.
Over a period of 23 years, it is sufficient for the guidance of entire humanity.
Very
Number
good.
2,
Excellent. Stop reading. Okay. Underline these important lines and look at your screens, beta. So the basis of ideology of Pakistan is basis of ideology of Pakistan is of two components. It means doctrine of faith and social dealings. You know that Islam is a complete deen. Islam tells us about all the aspects of our life. So the constituent components means it is written in our constitution that there are two types of basic ideologies. Is it clear? So first of all, doctrine of faith. It means we have our faith, total faith about the last day of judgment, about the holy prophet, that he is Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our the last holy prophet, and all those books which are revealed by Allah on different पैगंबर्स एंड रसूल्स. इज इट क्लियर? यानी जो हमारे तमाम पैगंबर थे उन पर जो मुख्तलिफ वक्तों में तमाम किताबें उतारी गई उन पर हमारा कंप्लीट फेथ होना चाहिए. सो वी शुड हैव आवर कंप्लीट फेथ ऑन prophethood, angels, the day of judgment, and all the revealed books. These all things are written in our constitution. Is it clear? Because we belong to a Muslim state, and any Muslim state is based on ideology of Islam. So first of all, first thing which is necessary for our beliefs, that is the doctrine of faith. It means you can see your screens that Allah has made all the angels. Allah ताला ने हम तमाम फरिश्तों को पैदा किया, दुनिया में हर चीज को पैदा किया. That's why we have to complete faith on divine books, on day of judgment, on we have a complete faith on Allah, on prophethood, and on about the angels. Is it clear? So this is the first main thing of ideology, especially the Islamic ideology of Pakistan. Is it clear? So as you know that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet, and Quran is the last holy book which is revealed on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam within 23 years. Is it clear? And this is a complete way of passing life. It tells a complete way of passing life, and हमें हर तरह का अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजारने का तरीका हमें कुरान पाक में मिल जाता है. So these are the basic 4 or 5 things which are being faith by us, and these are called the doctrine of faith. You can see on your screen that these are important things. I want to repeat that like faith in angels, faith in prophethood, faith in divine books and the day of judgment. And we should have to faith all the divine books, not only Quran, but all. You can see Torah, Zabur, Injil, all these books are revealed by Allah on in different eras on different prophets. Is it clear? So second one is, which is written in our constitution, that is social dealings. Is it clear? What is the meaning of social dealings? It means equality and justice. First of all, these two things are most important, which are connecting with social dealings. Is it clear? So in Islam, everybody is considered equal. Being considered equal. Is it clear? So all of you turn off your mic, beta. This is Umar. Umar bin Abdul Rahman, turn off your mic. Okay. Rumesa Sajjar, turn off your mic. Hurry up, beta. Okay. So, who will read the next topic? Okay, Alishba Sarfaraz. Alishba Sarfaraz. Alishba Rizwan. Beta. No, Sharoz, wait, beta. Alishba, beta, start reading.
Teacher, I don't have book.
Okay, beta. Please try to buy books as soon as possible. Okay, Anam Zafar,
Yes.
beta. Read the next topic. Hurry up, beta. We have to do our one short question as well in this class. So please hurry up. And okay, Anam, can you hear me, beta? Okay, look at your books, beta. These are the most important 2 topics, and right at the top of your this topic, most important. So next one is, as I told you, social dealings. Look at your book. This is the most important topic, and these 2 things are written in our constitution. यानी मैंने आपको constitution के ऊपर 7th class में बहुत detail lecture दिया था in physical classes as well as in virtual classes. So all you know that what is the meaning of constitution. Constitution means the book of rules and laws. Is it clear? So every country has its constitution. So Pakistan has its constitution, and the constitution of 1973 is the basic constitution of our country till now, and it is written in this constitution that everything will be according to the laws of Quran and Sunnah. So look at your book. Mutual dealings or interactions are basically the called the social dealings, and it is important that in Islam there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, color, and every wealth. Is it clear? So इस्लाम में किसी किस्म का कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है किसी में, और everyone is equal and there should be equal justice for everyone. Raise your hands, beta, if these two topics are clear in your mind. Next, then we will proceed further. Raise your hands, and Ramesh, turn off your mic. Zainab, turn off your mic, beta. All of you turn off your mic. Okay, thank you so much. In next class, in next lecture, from coming week, we better turn off your mics, all of you. Okay, thank you so much. I can see your hands. Okay, thank you so much. So look at your next topic. Okay. This is beta most important topic. This is most remember my words, this is most important topic, and these are the principles of democracy in Islam. If any country, especially the Muslim country, wants to create the democracy throughout the country and by its government, so the government of the country should have to follow these 4 important rules. Is it clear? So Islam gives us these 4 rules for the democracy in any country. So these are called the principles of democracy in Islam. And what is the meaning of democracy? I told you in detailed lecture in your physical classes about democracy, and I told you the definition about democracy, that it is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. It means democracy is the system in which we cast our votes for our favorite person, and that is called democracy. In this system, we have the right to cast the vote actually. Is it clear? So the principles of democracy in Islam are justice, equality, fraternity and tolerance. और ये क्या होगा उर्दू में अगर हम इसे पढ़ें? जस्टिस मीन इंसाफ सबके लिए होना चाहिए, सब बराबर हैं, इक्वल हैं, और आपस में ब्रदरहुड होना चाहिए. फ्रेटर्निटी मीन्स ब्रदरहुड, भाईचारा. और टॉलरेंस, बर्दाश्त. वी हैव टू टॉलरेट टू ईच अदर. Is it clear? So these are 4 most important things, and I told you earlier that democracy is being considered the best way of government, the best aspect of government. Is it clear? So these are the 4 principles of democracy in Islam. Every Islamic country should have to follow these 4 rules. So today we will talk about justice. Is it clear? So you can see on your books the literal meaning of justice is to keep the right things at their right place. This is very important definition. Underline this definition, beta. The literal meaning of justice is to keep the things at their right place. Justice makes any society peaceful and prosperous. All you know that if there will be the justice for all the people, and without any discrimination of wealth and power, so after that justice makes any society peaceful and prosperous. The society will become peaceful, people will become happy, prosperous. Is it clear? Any thing which is not clear in your mind, you can tell me, you can ask me in the chat box, or you can raise your hands, beta. Okay, show me your books. Iman, show me your book, beta. Zainab, Sheroz, please highlight the most important lines or underline the most important lines. Jay Kumar, can you show me your book? Zainab, beta, show me your book. Underline these important lines. And also you have a notebook with you. Okay. Better try to purchase your books. from the specific bookshops like I think Asif bookshop. Check there. I think the books are available there. Okay. So
I'm showing my book.
once again, I
I
want.
have no book.
Okay, beta, look at your screens and you can write down the most important things which I am telling you from your book, and other most important note, you can note down all these things in your notebooks. Is it clear? Okay, so the literal meaning of justice is to keep the things at their right place. It means that everything should be right through the justice. यानी कानून के जरिए तमाम चीजों को उनकी places पर रखना चाहिए. There should be the rule of law. Specifically, there should be the rule of law. Rule of law होना चाहिए, ना कि rule of wealth और power होना चाहिए. Is it clear? So justice makes any society peaceful and prosperous. Look at your books, beta. This is the second line of the topic justice. It is the foundation of divine law. Divine mean Islamic law. Justice is the, in any Islamic country, justice is the foundation. ये बुनियाद है उस divine law की which Islam tells us. Is it clear? No aspect of life can be complete without justice. So you all know that no type of any type of life, any type of society can survive without justice. Is it clear? So the character formation of an individual and the collective public good are possible only under a just system. If there will be justice, then the then any individual or the collectively people will live happily, and they can do anything, and their characters will be good if there will be the justice. The Holy Quran emphasizes upon the establishment of justice. The society in which justice is supreme will always have unity, love, sincerity, and peace. All these lines will be underlined from the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran tells us about the all aspects of life, and first of all, Holy Quran emphasizes upon the justice. So if any society can get justice, then the society, in the society there will be unity within the people, love within the people, and they will be sincere with their country, and there should be peaceful atmosphere everywhere. So the Holy Quran says, "Oh, you believe, maintain justice, observe witness for Allah's sake, though it may be against your own selves. Be he rich or poor, and let not hatred of people inside you not to act equitably." यानी इसमें अब मैं इसको जरूर उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूंगी कि अल्लाह ताला ने फरमाया कि आप चाहे इंडिविजुअल हैं चाहे कलेक्टिवली हैं, मतलब जिस तरह से भी आप रह रहे हैं विद इन ग्रुप, विद इन सोसाइटीज, इन इस्लामिक कंट्री, देयर शुड बी जस्टिस फॉर एवरीवन. और आपके दिलों में किसी के लिए हेटेड नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी के लिए आपको बुरा नहीं सोचना चाहिए. So the fundamental rights of the individuals are protected in the judicial system of Islam. Underline the last line of this topic. Hurry up, beta. Underline the last line of this topic and open your copies. You have to do your work in copy 2. Open your copies, beta. So as I told you that this is the fundamental point of any society, specifically any Muslim society. Yes, Jay Kumar, I can see your copy. Very good. Okay, beta, I will upload the descriptive question number 2 right after my lecture, and you have to do this question in copy 2 as well. And now we are going to write the, I'm going to dictate to the question number 3, but I'm also adding the question number 2. If you have not done question number 2, then you can write the question number 2 also. You can take the question number 2 also from this lecture. Is it clear? Okay, maintain your indices, beta. We have 10 minutes. And you can maintain your indices right after the lecture, because I have given you the proper index or today's index in the home assignment. You can see from there. And the one thing I want to tell you, that one thing which I observed when I was checking your copies last day, that most of the students didn't maintain their subtitle. So you have to write down the subtitle as well. So when I will return your copies, then please check your copies and write down the subtitle. I have also given you the subtitle of this chapter, today's index as well. Is it clear? So look at these things carefully. After I will upload the assignment right after your lecture. So be ready. This was the question number 2, which I have given you in the last lecture. If you have not completed this question, you can write down the question number 2 in your specific copy 2, and then you have to write down the question number 3. You can you can copy down this question right after your lecture. When I will upload the lecture, you can copy down the question number 2 from your lecture. Is it clear? Now I'm going to dictate you the question number 3. Yes, beta. Who is this?
वानिया मिस मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि ना कॉपी 2 जो थी ना वो इंक्लूड नहीं थी, तो पीएसटी की ना टेस्ट कॉपी थी, तो क्या टेस्ट कॉपी को कॉपी 2 बना दी?
Yes, beta. I have told you already in the orientation class that remember, na Sheros? I told you all that the test copy will be during the virtual classes. Test copy will be the copy number 2. And when you will in the physical classes, inshallah, then the the copy number 2 will be the test copy. Is it clear?
Miss,
So, yes.
इस कॉपी 2 टेस्ट के आगे कॉपी 2 लिख दें?
लिख दीजिए.
Miss, thank you. Miss,
yes beta, hurry up, we have not much time. Yes
मिस मिस मैंने तो टेस्ट कॉपीज ली नहीं है, मैं सोचा कि सिर्फ स्कोर करेंगे, जब टेस्ट कॉपीज ले लूंगी.
No beta, I have clearly told you again and again in my orientation class, and all the teachers I think told you about these copies, that there will be 2 copies. So you have to purchase this copy. So you have the long time beta in this week. पूरा वीक है आपके पास, आप कॉपीज लीजिए और फिर इसको कॉपी डाउन कर लीजिएगा लेक्चर से.
मिस मेरे पास ना इंटरलीव्स कॉपी है, तो मैं इंटरलीव्स कॉपी पे कर सकती हूँ?
No beta, you have to do this work on the specific copy of PST. Okay, start writing. If you have or you can if you want to copy down right now, then you have to copy down this question on your rough notebooks. Then after that, when you will purchase your copy 2, then copy down this question from there on that specific copy. Okay, start writing.
कैसे बनाएं?
बेटा इंडेक्स प्रॉपरली मैं आपको अपलोड कर दूंगी, क्योंकि एक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी अपलोड करूंगी तो उसमें इंडेक्स है, आप वहां से देख लीजिएगा. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट ओनली, बाकी सब वहां पर आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, स्टार्ट राइटिंग बेटा. Put on today's date at the top of your page. Write down the after your class, write down the chapter name, make your title page. Is it clear? और इंडेक्स जो है वो आप होम असाइनमेंट में देख लीजिएगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय इस्लामिक सोसाइटी. राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय इस्लामिक सोसाइटी. We have almost 6 minutes, so I'm trying that we have to complete this question एंड अगर हम इसको नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे, यू कैन सी राइट आफ्टर द क्लास व्हेन आई विल अपलोड द लेक्चर. Please complete this question and remember, I will always dictate you 1 or 2 questions in the class, short questions, and after every lecture I will upload the long descriptive question. Is it clear? So descriptive question will be there. Please check your classrooms. Okay, answer is Islamic society. Islamic society is unique. Islamic society is unique as compared to other societies. Full stop. I repeat, Islamic society is unique as compared to other societies. Full stop. It drives its sources, comma, it drives its sources, comma, principles. Principles के spellings को check कर लीजिएगा. Look at your screens. Principles. Principles and theories. And theories from. This word is from. FROM.
जैसे आप कौन सी कॉपी में करना है?
Beta, copy 2. I told you that you have to do these questions, long question and short questions in question in copy 2, because copy 1 is in your school. Okay, it drives its sources, comma, principles and theories from the Holy Quran and the Sunnah. From the Holy Quran and Sunnah. I have told you about these things, that every rule of Islamic Republic of Pakistan should be there according to Holy Quran and Sunnah, and it is written in our constitution. So raise your hands if you have done till Sunnah. Raise your hands, beta.
मेरा भी नहीं.
Okay, okay.
मिस कॉपी 2 मतलब टेस्ट कॉपी.
Yes, beta. I have told you many times that you have to purchase 2 copies. Copy 1 is in school
I have.
and the copy 2 will be in during the virtual classes. It will be copy 2. You have to do all this work, today's work, in copy 2. When you will come in the physical classes, this copy 2 will be your test copy. Is it clear? So write down, beta, hurry up. Next line is Islamic society is characterized. Islamic society is characterized by the divine principles. Divine means holy principles, respectable principles, which are told by Islam, which are told by our holy prophet. So that rules are called divine principles. Islamic society is characterized by the divine principles of respect for humanity. Respect for humanity. Better 2 minutes left. Hurry up. If you will not complete the answer, then you have to write down or copy down this question when after uploading this lecture. When I will upload this lecture, then please complete this question. Okay. You can take also the screenshots of this question. Okay, I repeat, Islamic society is characterized by the divine principles of respect for humanity, comma, tolerance, comma, justice, comma, equity, and forceful existence. and forceful existence. Are you writing, all of you? Iman?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, full stop. All rules